Okay, for the next one is how to count how many people are pass or not. First, we can use counta. Oh no, sorry, I mean count if. Just need put equal sign and write count if, and then after that open brackets, highlight all of the value that we need, and semicolon and double dot, and I will say it's the minimum score is 60 and it will be more than 60, double dot again, and close brackets and enter. This is how many people that pass the test. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the true value. And the another one is how to count the people that need to do the retest. First, we need like same as all of the function. Use equal sign and write counta and open brackets. In this case, we need to use the retest value. Highlight all of the retest value and close brackets and enter. This is how many people that need to do retest. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all for me. Thank you. Okay, for the next one is how to count the average. First, saying equal sign and write average, open brackets, highlight the value and close brackets. This is the average of the value, and we need to round it. First, how to use the round function? We need another function like round, open brackets. This is what I mean. If you use round, you need another function inside the brackets, and then semicolon, and you need to specify how many decimal place. I will place it 2 decimal place, and close brackets again and enter. And this is the value. And the other case is int, same as the round function, but in this case int doesn't need to specify the significant figures or the decimal place. We just need like write in, and after the function inside the brackets we just need to close the brackets and enter. This is the next one is how to summary all of the value. First, you need to write a equal sign and write sum, open brackets, and highlight all of the value and close brackets. This all of the summary of the value. And the second is the sum. No, sorry. The second is mean. So it can use to find the minimum score like this. Write a equal sign, mean, open bracket, and highlight the value and close bracket. See, this is the minimum value, and the next one is the maximum value, same as the minimum. Equal sign, max value, open brackets, and highlight the value and close brackets. This is the maximum scores of all of the students, and we need to round it off. So we just need equal sign and write round, open brackets, this. Next one is absolute and relative reference. That means like if this value the first value is D3 and it will adapt with the other value. Like the first one is using D3 value and the second one is use D4. That's adapt. If we use like a dollar sign between the these are, it will not adapt. Let's see, it will be all of them will be retest. See, they are using the same data, so that's what is absolute and relative reference. Okay, for the another is how to use if function. First, you need to write a equal sign and write if open brackets and choose first value, which is the score, and it says logical test value if true, value is false. In the value if true, we can say if the value is more than, let's say the minimum score is 60, more than 60, and then semicolon and say it pass, and semicolon again. If the value is false, we can say it's retest, and then close brackets and enter. This is the what we need to search that it's retest or pass. Let's see the others. Look, retest, pass, pass, retest. Okay, for the another is how to use if function. First, you need to write a equal sign and write if open brackets and choose first value, which is the score, and it says logical test value if true, value is false. In the value if true, we can say if the value is more than, let's say the minimum score is 60, more than 60, and then semicolon and say it pass, and semicolon again. If the value is false, we can say it's retest, and then close brackets and enter. This is the what we need to search that it's retest or pass. Let's see the others. Look, retest, pass, pass, retest.
And next, if you want to adding another value with another value, first you can type an equal sign, and after that, click the first value that you wanted to add it, and type a plus sign, and after that, add another value that you wanted to add, and just click the enter button, and then you got the value that you wanted to. And if you want to reduce your value, you can change the plus sign into the minus sign and click enter. And if you want to multiply the value, you just need to change the sign into a star sign and click enter, and you got the value. And the last one, if you want to divide the value, you just need to click that over sign, and after that just click enter, and you get the value that you wanted. And to change the name of the cell, you can go click the cell that you wanted to change and click the left side of the mouse and go to define name, and you can change the name of the cell with any name that you want to. Example, I wanted to change it as rere, and after that you just click OK, and after that you can see over there the name of the cell is already changing.
Tiga.
So to change the dollar value, you can click the cell that you wanted to change, and you click the left side of the mouse, and you're gonna go to format cell, and you can choose either currency or accounting. I'm choosing accounting in here, and you can change the symbol to dollar sign or any sign that you wanted to, and just press OK, and that's all.